Welcome to the world of mixology. You are watching Spice Trail. Today I will show you how to make a perfect cocktail to cure a hangover. I hope you will like this recipe. So let's go and jump in. Now take a mixing glass and start pouring all the ingredients. Add 8 to 10 ice cubes. First pour 1.5 ounces or 45 milliliters of whiskey. Next pour the same amount of honey. Honey acts as antioxidants to protect the body from cell damage, and also helps to reduce inflammation and cholesterol level. Lastly, pour the same amount of fresh cream. Fresh cream contains a significant amount of essential vitamins and minerals, and it also helps to reduce stress levels. I hope you are enjoying this recipe. Now shake vigorously, so that honey can mix with other ingredients. If you like this recipe, please don't forget to give a big thumbs up. Perfect. Now take an old-fashioned glass, and fill it with lots of ice cubes. Now strain the mixture straight into the glass. Please don't forget to subscribe for more exciting recipes and mixology tidbits. Now sprinkle little cocoa powder on the top. Cocoa helps to improve brain functions, and also helps to improve mood, and reduce stress levels. Lastly, grate a little nutmeg on the top. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it also helps to promote sleep. Awesome! Now garnish it with a little fresh cream. Cheers! Have a great day! Thanks for watching Spice Trail. See you soon with another exciting recipe like this. Till then, keep watching and drink responsibly.